Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is the second generation of the pick and place machine I was working on. As you know, probably from my previous video, I was working on converting 3D printer into pick and place machine. And I provide models to convert that to make it easy to convert. But 3D printer usually come with smaller build plates, for example 20 by 20 centimeters, or some are a little bit bigger. But in order to work on a little bit bigger PCBs and also maybe has more feeders, therefore I made this new one, and it has, for example, like 29 by 29 feeder slots. I try to make it easy to basically assemble, and also trying to make it accurate. So basically all the holes here are laser cutted, and the frames are all aluminum. And then the other goal is basically make it easy to assemble. So I designed this component to be separate. So you can see there are 4 components. One is a base plate, and then 2 Y bridges, and then 2 X bridges. So with those, basically you just need to screw a couple of screws, and then the machine will be ready to use. But of course, you also need to connect the cables, but that's the simple part. And then after that, you need to calibrate. That's for basically all the process. And then in this video, I will show you how to assemble these machines, and then I can show you that it will be really fast and straightforward. So yeah, I will start from the Y bridge there. Okay, so the Y bridge here is actually able to adjust the height of the bridge. So if you want to have more space, you can actually mount it a little bit higher. In this case, I just mount it a bit lower. So okay, so you can see this side is free. So I'm going to take a screw and then mount the other side. Okay, so now the Y bridge is ready. I need to mount the X bridge. Okay, so I just screw here, then I will start mounting. So you can see these are there are slides. So I just need to mount just need to screw here to the slide, linear guide, and then I will be able to mount it. Okay. Just make sure that you don't tighten it first, and then later, because you first need to make sure that it's actually aligned to the same locations on both sides. Make it horizontal, and then you will be able to tighten it later on. Okay, so now it's mounted on both sides. So I just take this small component which has the same size, so to make sure that it's horizontal. So now you can see actually I just push toward this side, so that make sure it has the same distance. And once it's pushed, then I will tighten it. Okay, so now both sides has been done, and you can see here now it's ready, and you can probably hear the clicking of the end stop. So the end stop is also built in, and you have X and Y here. So yeah, this is basically assembled, and then of course you also need to connect the cables, and then you do the calibration, and after that it will be ready to use. So yeah, basically this will be like a very fast, easy to straightforward process. Also you can see this aluminum frame. It's also easy to basically customize. So when you get this, you can just like drill a hole whatever you want and just make it like customized to your need as well. I will keep optimizing this one, and then hopefully it will come out soon. So if you have any comments, just let me know. And also I got a lot of suggestions from the people watching my video, so I want to thank here. It's really valuable and supportive from your side. Thank you very much. And yes, so this is the video. Thank you very much. We'll see in the next video.